Morning everyone! If you watched last month's vlog, then you'll know that I had to get an ECG and I had to wear a 24-hour Holter monitor on the 27th of February. I'm really confused about what the time is. So I went to the doctor last night and got the results of that. They said the ECG was fine. I was in sinus rhythm the whole time, and for the Holter monitor as well, it was completely unremarkable. Again, sinus rhythm, very occasional ectopic beats, which means like skipped beats or extra beats, but that's normal. Everyone really experiences that at some point. Because I am feeling faint, then they are wanting to refer me to a cardiologist just to get some more tests run, make sure that everything is fine. So I'm fine with going along to the doctor and being checked out for heart problems, but so far it all looks fine, which is good news. Now I'm waiting for food to be delivered. It should be coming sometime between 11 and 2. I'm going to have a cup of tea and do my drawing for today, and then I don't even know. One thing that I forgot to tell you last month is that I actually finished last month. I forgot to tell you that I've lost my train of thought. Last month, one thing that I actually forgot to tell you is that I finished my diploma in illustrating children's books. So it's done. Finally, I think I spent about 5 years on that thing, but it's finished and now I can focus on other things, which is amazing. Just now I'm trying to do simple pictures. So I've been doing robots this month. I might just do robots for the whole month. The reason that I'm doing simple pictures is because at the end of this month I am going home for a couple of weeks. I feel like I've said this already, but I might have just said it in my head. On the 20th? Yes, on the 20th. So 2 weeks today, I'm going home to Scotland, and I will be there until the 2nd of April, and then I fly back and I get back on the 3rd of April. So therefore, well, technically I think I'm actually there for about 12 days, but in total I'm away for about 2 weeks with the time differences and everything. So because I'm going away, then I don't want to be taking a huge amount of art supplies with me, and I don't want to be spending a lot of time on drawing every day. So I'm trying to work with what I can fit into a pencil case, and trying to keep my drawings to under an hour as well, because I don't want to be spending 2.5–3 hours every day drawing when I could be spending time with family. So that's what's going on this month. Hi everyone, long time no speak. It's the middle of the month and I'm going home on Tuesday. I can't believe I'm going home on Tuesday. I feel like I've got so much that I need to organise before I go. so I should probably start doing that soon, or I'm just going to be completely disorganised by the time that it rolls round. I didn't show you, I got my diploma through from the London Art College. So I officially have a diploma in illustrating children's books. Morning everyone! It's the 20th of March just now, and I'm surrounded by a little bit of mess because I'm packing to go home tonight. It's going to take me somewhere between 27 and 28 hours to get home. So basically the whole of tomorrow I will be travelling, although in UK time I actually get home on the 21st, but in Australia time it will be the 22nd before I get home. So I am just going to be packing right now, and then I need to go out to the chemist because I have a prescription I have to pick up before I go. And basically my whole day is just going to be making sure that I am completely ready to go tonight. Hi everyone, long time no speak. So just now it's actually the 1st of April and I haven't spoken to you in a very long time because I've been home, which you know because obviously you saw me packing, you saw me getting ready to come home. But I basically just felt like because I was at home I didn't really want to be spending all my time vlogging. So I haven't been. I've kind of filmed little bits and pieces here and there, but I haven't done a huge amount, and now it's the 1st of April and I'm sat here, as you can see, in my hotel room, just getting ready to try and get some sleep before I have to go to the airport in the morning. It's about 9 o'clock at night just now, and my flight is at 10 to 7 tomorrow morning, which means I'm going to have to be at the airport for probably about 4 o'clock, 4:30 to make sure that I check in on time. I've done my drawing for today. I did that just there. Now I'm going to go and try and have a shower and get myself settled for tonight. I might have a cup of tea, try and watch something for a bit and just relax for a bit before I go to bed. It's kind of noisy here just now, so I don't know how much sleep I'm going to get because I'm going to have to get up about 3 o'clock in the morning. And then I'm flying from Edinburgh to London, London to Perth, because it's the new non-stop flight from London to Perth that I'm on, which is about 17 hours, and then from Perth to Melbourne, which is about 3.5 hours. So leaving here tomorrow morning and getting back Tuesday evening after 7 o'clock, which is about 28 hours of traveling. It's been weird being back home. It's obviously been nice seeing friends and family. Last night I was at the party for my friend's wedding and it was so nice seeing all my friends again. On Friday I was out with friends for lunch and I've seen family. I've been into Glasgow, I've been into Edinburgh. Everything seems very familiar, but at the same time slightly different, I guess. The weather has been okay while I've been here. It's not been too rainy. It has been cold, but not overly cold. Not nearly as cold as I expected it to be. I expected that I was going to be freezing. I will probably put in a few little clips of things that I've been doing while I've been here. I went to Mugduck with my dad at one point and took a few video clips while I was there. I took a video clip of driving around in the countryside, just because the roads here are so different from Melbourne roads. Melbourne roads are huge, and that's why I don't drive in Melbourne, apart from the fact that I just don't need a car when I'm in Melbourne. But Scottish roads, they're just so much smaller, especially when you get out into the countryside. It's been strange being back. It feels like it's gone really fast, and all of a sudden I'm going back again. I suppose that's everything for March, since we're now onto the 1st of April. So I am just going to wrap it up here, and I'm going to go get myself ready and try and get a bit of rest before I have to get up, or I am probably going to miss my flight, which would not be good. So I hope that you have enjoyed this. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more from me, and I will see you all again very soon. Bye everyone!